In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the sum of a column in Notion. Whether you're using Notion to manage your projects, organize your tasks, or even as a personal wiki, knowing how to quickly sum up information can be incredibly useful. Today, I'll guide you step by step, making sure you fully understand each part. So, let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Notion account. Once you've got that covered, head over to your connected workspace. This is where all your databases, wikis, and project documents live. If you're not logged in, simply click on the Login button and enter your credentials. It's really important to get this step right as all the magic happens within your workspace. After logging in, navigate to the Notion homepage. This is your usual starting point, and from here, you can access different databases or pages you have set up. The Notion is quite flexible and allows you to customize this space to fit your needs. Once you're at the home page, the next move is to locate the specific database you want to work with. A database in Notion is somewhat like a spreadsheet, but far more powerful and linked to other workspace elements. After selecting your database, focus your attention on the column from which you want to calculate the sum. You might often use this for columns tracking expenses, scores, or any other numeric data. Let's say, for example, you have two numbers that you want to sum up. Ensure these numbers are entered accurately within your selected column to proceed with the calculations seamlessly. The next step is crucial. Within your selected column, you'll need to utilize the formula option. Look for it, and once you find it, simply click on it. This is where Notion combines its flexibility with the power of a little coding. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. After opening the formula settings, navigate towards the Edit Property option. This allows you to manipulate the entries and apply different functions, including summing up the numbers. Now, at this point, you should see an option or a field for functions. From this menu, you'll find the Sum option. By clicking on Sum, you're instructing Notion to calculate and display the total of the numbers in your selected column. This conversion into a sum is smartly updated as new data is inputted, keeping your calculations dynamic and always accurate. And there you have it. Your column total is now displayed at the bottom, thanks to Notion's versatile computing capabilities. You can use this approach for any numerical column, streamlining your workflow and helping to keep your projects on track. I hope you found this guide helpful, and you're now ready to make the most of Notion's powerful features. Thank you for watching, and make sure to practice what we've learned today in your own workspace. Enjoy exploring the full potential of Notion.